Yo, what's going on, guys? Another day, another video. Once I got this car, it really just sparked the fire back inside me to start working on my car again. And I don't know, I just love this, and thank you guys so much for all your support and showing all the love and comments down in the previous videos. So the plans for today is to take out all the fluids out of this car because Jose is coming tomorrow so that we can finally pull the motor out of this. It's not gonna have the Y7 anymore because in the previous video, if you guys haven't seen, we did pick up that Z6/Y8 motor that we're gonna be putting in here, and we're also boosting. I also cleaned up our workspace right here because I don't know if you guys saw in the previous videos, it's been really messy, and we just needed a place where once we tear apart that motor, we can put all that stuff here, lay it all out so that we have like a clean workspace. I also cleaned out my tool cart because obviously it was super dirty, and yeah. By the way, if you guys have any stickers that you'd want me to put on the tool cart, feel free to let me know because I'd love to support any of you who make stickers, and I think it'd be really fun to have. I have some Illus ones here, Thunder Hill, some skating ones, and you know, my girlfriend. And yeah, I just want to sticker bomb this whole tool cart because it'll be sick. All right, let's jack up this hoopty so we can take out all the fluids. Another thing that I'm going to be doing just so that I can keep organized with this whole process is I'm going to be putting everything in a Ziploc bag just so I know where these bolts go to. I know you guys also put bolts everywhere, and then all of a sudden you have like 30 million different 10mm bolts that you don't know where they go to. So by putting it all in Ziploc bags and keeping it organized, we can stay organized and know where every single bolt goes to. Just finished up draining the fluids out of the car, so there's no more oil, no coolant in there, besides obviously the little bit that's inside once we start taking off all the hoses. Took off the front end as well because we are going to be getting a new front end anyways. Didn't really need it in there, so just took it out just to make it easier. So now we're basically set to pull the engine out tomorrow. I'll catch you guys in the morning, bright and early at 8 a.m. So I'll see you guys in 2 seconds. Ooh, we're back. It's the next day. Alright, we're going to start taking disassembling stuff. We have to go to Hercules in like 30 minutes, so we're going to disconnect as much as we can. Then after that, we're just going to go straight to the junkyard because we're already going to be there. Alright, span 10 minutes. What did we disconnect?
The charge harness, and then we got to take off the main harness and lift up the car and take off the exhaust and with the exhaust manifold and take off the bitch pin that everybody hates.
Oh, I hate it.
Take off the axles, drop the car, put it on the wheels, and start disconnecting all the lines, and it's ready to lift up.
Hopefully we'll get done in like...
When we come back, you mean?
When we come back, because we're about to leave the junkyard anyway, so... Yeah, we'll be right back. What's up, you guys? We're on the GoPro now because kind of didn't want to bring the big-ass camera to a pick and pull, but we're going to be looking at the inventory. Hopefully this GoPro quality is okay. I'm pretty sure it's good. We have the mic on from the DSLR that I put on the GoPro, so if you guys can see. So we're gonna figure out which pick and pull we want to go to so we don't waste time. There's one here in Richmond and there's one in Oakland, but there's also one going up in Fairfield that kind of has stuff, so we'll see where we go from here. Alright guys, we're at the pick and pull. First time here, it's kind of sick. We'll show you what we find. Found this BC2 or B18B.
We're not going B. Stick in D.
But we're gonna stick to the D because we don't want no B. Alright guys, so we found a Y8 and we're gonna try to take the fuel rail out because we kind of need it for the swap. Alright, we pretty much got the fuel rail out, so one piece of puzzle done. Hopefully we can find more shit. Hopefully Jose can get that hose out.
Something I learned what to do.
Okay. Sick. Alright boys, we found a K. Everybody's saying going K swap, but we're sticking to the D. Fuck. So we're also gonna get this piece right here because we need it for the door. And the other one Hopefully it fits.
That should fit.
You think coupe and I don't think they're different.
1 hour later.
We're back at the house. Just want to show you guys what I got. So we got that little side piece for the door, cheap. And we also got a Y8 fuel rail because we're going to be using a Y8 intake manifold. Some people say that you could use the Z6 intake manifold, but to make things a little bit easier, and from what I've read, the Y8 intake manifold just flows a little bit better. And plus, it was already there, so might as well. And somebody is also sending me Y8 intake manifold for cheap, so it'll work. Let's put this on right now, actually. I actually really needed this piece because it wasn't there, but it looked like that, so it's sick. Oh, just like that. New moldings on. Beautiful, man. Alright, we're gonna get to dismantling more shit. Everyone, do yourself a favor. If it's your first time pulling a motor like me, get yourself a Jose, because he'll do all the work while you just look around, unclip parts, and I'm just here to grab tools for him. I'm the tool man. He's the guy who actually works on the car. But we got majority of it off. Just getting a few little things for the wiring harness so that we could pull it, and after that, we should be good to go. Got it out, huh? Told you. Stupid bolt. So now what we're gonna do with the shift linkage is just gonna use a nut and a bolt instead of having this welded on nut that was on there. I'm not gonna touch it because it's extremely hot, but yeah. All right, boys. Motor's ready to be moved out. At it. Jiggle, jiggle. All right, gotta drop the car, push it back a little bit, then finally kick it out. Got the motor out, nothing's in here anymore, so perfect time to just, you know, appreciate that the motor's out. First ever motor pull.
How did it go?
He made it so easy. All I really did was remove some clips. He did all the hard work. Also, we're ready for some pizza, baby. Here's an etiquette: if you have a mechanic, always feed him, cause he'll be doing the hard work, and I'm here to feed him. You good?
Of course.
Band-Aid?
No.
Oh, ew. Light work. Oh my god. Let's eat, bro.
10 seconds later.
Currently taking off the transmission now as I watch
Me do it.
and he does all the work.
I'm full.
We got the transmission out, you feel me? So
We're taking off the harmonic balancer.
taking off the harmonica. We're gonna go to Harbor Freight right now because we need the deep 12-point sockets. Got you guys back in a little bit. So guys, we came back. We got the 12-point long socket that we needed. And we also got the harmonic balancer tool that we needed. Shit was $43. But you know, we'll get our money back. It's just loan a tool from AutoZone. So we grabbed the wrong one. This is a 14 and the ARP head bolt. It's a 12 millimeter. So good news is that we got the harmonic balancer off so we could return the tool. Bad news is we gotta go back all over again just to get what we need. So we'll be right back. Whew, guys, let me tell you, we went to AutoZone, Home Depot, O'Reilly. None of them had this 12-point, 12 millimeter socket. And then, you know, by the car guards above us, they had two at Lowe's. Took us damn near an hour just to find this whole socket, just so that we can fit it on here and remove the ARP head studs. So, do the honors, brother.
It's got tight.
guy just wants to rip off everything. You have to unbolt it in sequence, guys. So you don't fuck up your head, you know?
Oh shit. It is heavy though. What the hell? Oh.
Help.
Okay.
You got this, brother.
Where's this going?
I don't know. Table?
There's no space.
That's crazy. Here, hold on. Wait.
Oh.
Hey, let's go. You're supposed to have a Z6 ARP stud on the part where the VTEC solenoid sits because all the Y8 studs are a lot shorter. Cylinder walls look good. And this is the new piston that he put in.
For the boys?
For the boys.
Oh yes.
Oh yes. For the boys. Fuck a turbo, bro. We're just gonna put NOS. Dude. It's a little NOS. Hey, I think anybody wants to race us, brother?
We got NOS?
We got NOS. Alright. Yep. I still need to buy the helicoil for the timing belt tensioner. Now we're gonna try to crack open the oil pan. Make sure, you know, we put it in the oil pan bolt Ziploc bag. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
God damn it, it closed on me. Just surprisingly heavy.
Oh yeah. Look how clean that is. Wow. Wow. Okay. In honor this bullet hole fender and figuring out what we need for this new build,
What should I write?
we're gonna write on it. Parts list. Clutch and flywheel. Time cert or helicoil. Oil pan gasket. Y8/Z6 timing belt. Now we'll do all the seals. 650cc injectors.
Remember, it could be in the used market.
That is true. Okay. I'll be back. We're gonna make a list and I'll show you guys what we need. We just finished our list. Now it looks like a lot. And over time it's gonna cost a lot of money. But like any build, especially a turbo build, it's gonna cost money, guys. Especially if you just buy a shell. We bought this for hella cheap. Bought the motor for hella cheap with the internals that we have already on it, plus NOS. It's all gonna come in the territory of like modifying your car, building it up as a full project, and boosting it. Here's our parts list. I'll go over it with you guys. So, first, this is the parts list that we need to actually get the car running, to turn on, and to basically make it a little bit drivable. So first things we gotta do is we gotta get a clutch and flywheel. We're gonna get an oil catch can. It's not necessary, but the valve cover is already like bunged for it with the AN line, so we're gonna get that. We need a time cert for the timing belt tensioner. We need a full catback exhaust. Probably gonna have to modify it after we get it turboed. We need an oil pan gasket. We're gonna need a Y8 or a Z6 timing belt. All the seals are gonna be replaced. 650cc RC injectors. We need a Z6 Dizzy, a dual bend shifter with shifter bushings because the shifter is shot already. We're gonna need a CX Racing turbo kit for sure. Honda, throttle body, and wheels and tires. If I haven't told you guys already, we did get a P28 from Dylan. So we already have this set. We just need to get Honda for it and get it chipped. Other than that, we do have a to-do list. On the to-do list, we have to clean the motor in the head, fix the strip bolt, and we have to add VTEC wiring. I also have to figure out the IACV like wiring because we are using the Y7 harness, and it's gonna be mated to that Y8 block with a Z6 head, so that's all wiring shit that I could worry about later. Then this one is just gonna be maybe parts, just for ease of mind. We're pretty sure we're gonna need to do this, that's for sure. Other than that, that's pretty much it, right?
I mean, when me and Johnny built his K20 Integra, we took 3 years, 2 years and a half.
We're planning to get this done by summer, so we got like what, 6 months? Summer starts in like June,
5 months.
July, May. Yeah, so we have 5 months to do this. Hopefully we can get it done. Oh, by the way, if you guys have any of these parts that you would like to, you know, sell your boy, we always want to check the used market first. Distributor, maybe if you have some 650cc RC injectors. But
Turbo kit.
if you have a turbo kit for a D series, let me know. But yeah, this is, like I said, this is gonna be a full build, and this is gonna be the Civic that I want to build to keep for a long time. I said that a lot, but this is it. We took out the motor already, so can't really go back from here. Oh yeah, we're planning to wrap this car. Not gonna tell you guys what we're gonna wrap it yet, It's gonna be in a color that I want to get it painted later, so just gonna wrap it, save some money first, because we really need all these parts first before we decide to actually buy the wrap. So yeah, hope you guys liked today's video. We're gonna wrap it up here. We took out the motor. We did a lot of work today, stripped the head, and yeah, we're basically on the road. Huh?
Took like an hour and a half finding a socket.
We took an hour and a half to find that stupid ass socket, but besides that, really eventful day today. We got a lot of stuff done. Make sure you guys hit that like, that subscribe button. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram and follow Jose on Instagram to see more of his Evo. And he used to have a DC-5 if you forgot. And make sure you guys build humbly. And until next time, we'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.